even better than what I can remember when I was here with JP and Jentz. Area. So nice to see them in action. Oh my god. We're in Amsterdam and supposed to leave for Switzerland at 8:30. However, our train is cancelled. What can you say about that? OMG! OMG that, guys. If you remember our trip, me and Jentz, a few months ago, also to Switzerland, our train was also cancelled.